be long now.
Let her go.
Hey, the foot!
This case is becoming very complicated. Take your foot out of the vice.
I can't.
What'd you put it in there for?
Well, you see, he had someone...
We'll have to knock it out. That's a good idea. We'll knock it out.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't think you guys are doing much good.
I'm afraid you're right. We ought to find another way.
Let's saw the leg off.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Only as a last resort.
Thanks.
You see, he can't take it. We ought to find a way of getting it off that would be easier on the patient.
We could melt it off.
What, the leg?
No, the vice.
Doctor, that is using your head.
See, now I think you're going to get somewhere.
Come on.
Come on. Attaboy. Come on.
Come on, Hank, come over here.
Attaboy. Come on.
Get it in there.
There it is.
You may get a little warm, but don't mind it. We just parboiling it.
See, on second thought, I think my foot's burning. Yeah, it looks like it's burning. Hey, it is boiling! I said it, take it out, it's boiling! I said it's hoist off the water! I want to know
Hey, wait a minute. Let's dunk it in the water.
Oh, it won't.
What do you...
Hey, listen, it's my foot that's
That's
boiling!
all right.
It's there. It's off.
Yeah, it's very simple. You see, when iron at a white heat hits the water...
Always.